everyone! Today, I'm going to guide you through how to use a manual breast pump to express milk easily and comfortably. Breast pumps are a lifesaver for busy moms, especially when you need to express milk on the go or store some for later feeding. Here's the pump I'm using. It has a smooth handle for gentle pumping, a soft flange that rests comfortably on your breast, and a milk container that you can detach and clean easily. Everything is made of baby-safe materials and can be sterilized. To start, place the flange over your breast so the nipple sits perfectly in the center. Begin pressing the handle slowly to create a steady rhythm. You'll see milk start flowing into the container in no time. Remember, pumping should never be painful. If it feels uncomfortable, adjust the position of the flange or take a short break. Relax, breathe, and let your body do the work naturally. In just a few minutes, you'll have milk ready to feed your baby or store safely for later. It's quick, quiet, and so convenient. Thank you so much for joining me today.